What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog.
We're going to a hotel.
We're going to a hotel. Yay! You guys, lately, I need break more than normal.
Mommy.
Yeah, but
Hi.
Hi, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Now we're going to swim.
We're going to swim?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And you're excited?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You don't say.
Why?
I like your little outfit. Show them your little outfit. Ooh, so cute. Oh yeah, your little jewelry. You're blinged out, right? I love it. Okay, so we're back to that time when we do that whole hotel for mommy and daddy anniversary thing. If you guys have not seen the first one that we did last year when we went to Grand Bahia Principe, so name, then you guys can click the link. I'm gonna have the link up here. You guys can just click it and watch that one, right? So this year we're going to a different hotel. We originally wanted to go back to Grand Bahia Principe, but it was fully booked. Like, them book right out. I don't know Wagwan, but they book out. So we ended up having to go somewhere else. We are gonna be going to, oh God, wait, name, Royal Decameron. I think that's her name, Royal Decameron. So we're going to Royal Decameron. We've never been there. Honestly, never have heard any reviews about them, but my brother went on YouTube typing some things and he said that they were cool. So I'm gonna say, all right then, bet. Guys, there's a whole story behind the reservation. Honestly, I don't want to slander them before the vlog begins, but I will be telling you guys. Yeah, but I will be telling you guys all the details of that, because booking was a frustrating ass process. Like, I will not lie, booking was stressful, and like, in the process of booking, I'm just like, I feel like I gotta change my mind. Like, it was terrible. However, it's still early. Even though the booking was trash, let's see if we're gonna have a good time at this place. I'm gonna show you guys the whole vibe when we get there. We're about to leave out. We're waiting on them to come get us. Marla, have the time of your life. I am packed. I'm excited. This break, I really feel like I really need. So I'm kind of really excited. I can't wait to go. I'm hungry though, guys. I'm hungry. You hungry?
I want water.
You just want water?
Yeah.
That's all she drinks. Oh, this light. Pot them. Get feature pots. Big up home pieces for those pots. Like, it was a 16-piece set, I think. Like, guys, I'm gonna put them IG link in the description bar. Home pieces. Some underscore in them IG name, but yo, that pot set, I feel like it's my most prized possession. Like, seriously, the pots, I'm proud of my pot set. It's about to go down. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that thumbs up button if you guys want to see this content. And yeah, like, come on.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Taking a lot, and my family is just really frustrated at this point. No, I'm not going to take a picture. I don't like the ugly style. Hello, we're at Royal Decameron. Yes,
you know,
guys, the young children, the teenagers. Give us a kiss, guys. Give us a kiss. I'm gonna teach you kiss that. You know, give us a kiss. 24. Oh, guys. Finally eat. I got a grill right now. We'll collect my key from my little brother. Alright guys, this is what the setting of the place looks like. I really like the setting, it's nice. It's very intimate, not like a regular. Wrong one. Don't go that way, come back this way. It's not like a huge hotel setting, very small compared to a lot of hotels. We are at room 6. This baby is so gorgeous, guys. Like I saw her today, and I'm telling you. She is so pretty. We are kind of close to the front, which is really good. We're just going to go back to our room now. Alright, so let me show you guys the room. Alright guys, so this is the space. I want to show you it from outside because it's very deceptive, as in like the size of it. Okay, so this is how it looks on the outside. Right? This is my dad's room, I think. Yeah, 7, because we're at 6. So we're right in front of the beach. Really good, because I guess at night we can be out here as late as we want. And this is our room right here. Once again, look at the size of it. Right? Not very tall, but let me show you guys what it looks like inside. Oh, alright, so we were already in here, which means we already started to rent the room, right? So this is what it looks like. It has a staircase going upstairs. So 2 bedrooms, well, 2 bedrooms, so the 2 beds up there. So 2 persons can sleep upstairs. The AC unit is right there. And downstairs. Alright, so downstairs is this room right here. Touch the door, Octavia. Downstairs is this room. And this is where I'll be sleeping. It has a closet, you know, ironing boards, iron, stuff like that. And of course this lovely bed. And a little, kind of like a little setup area over there if you want to set down like your products to get ready and stuff. TV. It has this lounge chair, which I think my brother will be sleeping on if he doesn't want to sleep upstairs. When you come out of that room, this is the bathroom. Liana, I'm coming in. So they have a standing shower with the glass slide doors. The toilet. There's a window right there. The only thing I didn't like is the fact that there's no light in this light, which is obviously very critical if you're putting makeup on, but luckily I don't care for makeup very much right now. The mirror is dirty as hell, but yeah, this is the bathroom. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you upstairs real quick. I really hate these steps because they're very narrow and very steep. The incline is insane, but this is what upstairs looks like. There's not much lighting up here, I think. Let me see if I can turn on this lamp. Okay, there we go. So it's like a little attic. I love this setup up here. It's really, really cozy. So they have 2 beds, 1, 2. All right, so as I said, the AC unit is right there. Bed 1, bed 2, obviously claimed by somebody already. And this is the view from upstairs. So it's a pretty cozy setup. It's alright. It's definitely unlike any hotel setup I've seen. And these stairs scare the hell out of me. But I'm going back downstairs. Yeah, you have on your, wow, but you should have took off your undies. But yeah, so we're about to hit the pool right quick. And just chill for the rest of the evening. I don't know.
Look.
Flipper. Alright guys, excuse the mess. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. Mask look like it's set kind of wrongish, but anyways, so this fit is from Danzery. I had it for a couple years. Me and Marla are matching. Hopefully I get a clip before the night has ended, but I just had my hair slicked back in this like a bun type situation. But yeah, it's my outfit of the night and I love it. I am so comfy. It goes all the way down to the floor. And I have on my birches. That babe got me. Oh yeah. Dinner time. What you eating? Huh? Yeah, because of Sunday. How we not eat? How we not eat today? What's in this plate? Leftover? Guys, how cute is her little dress? Donzer did that. Aww, look at my baby, guys. Aww.
The flash active, man.
There. Alright, so Shay, you know to walk first, alright? Alright, so pleasant evening to each and everyone right here. Welcome to the Royal Decameron Club Caribbean, but most of all, welcome to our pre-show presentation. Right here, we're going to warm things up to up on over into showtime, alright? So don't be afraid to join the animation team up here. I got a prize I want to give to a lucky person tonight, and I want to find that person, alright? So, I need some volunteer on center stage. Trust me, no singing, no dancing, so you don't have to worry. Alright, so we need like 5 person. Alright, here we go. Listen. Alright, listen. And I'm from Kingston. Pauline out of Kingston, Jamaica. Come on, Kingstonian, make some noise. Alright, listen out there from there. DJ, come turn that back.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It is about 7 a.m. I am sitting outside. I am trying to get some editing done real quick. But one of my favorite things about being here is the second you get outside your room, the beach is right there. Like, look. And there's the beach. Just right there in front of the room. I'm trying to get some editing done right quick. I have like mad files, as I always do. Like, I always have shit to edit. So I'm just going to edit until it's time for breakfast, and then a crab. He's right there. Like, am I gonna wake up Marla just for this? Where'd he go? He's right there. There he is, right there. I am going to wake Marla up just for this because she's been bothering me. She has been bothering me. I'm going to see if I can wake her up and let her get some of the calmness of the morning. She really loved the beach yesterday. It's very peaceful out here. I just love the way it's set up with the rooms like near the beach. And then, like, obviously because it's a smaller location, it's just way more intimate. I love that about it. There's a couple stuff that I did not like about it, but I feel like I'll just save everything that I did not like and liked at the end of the video, in case this is going to be a review for somebody who's looking to come here. Now, I think the issue really is with the location and not necessarily the brand itself, because just based on other people's opinion of the place. What is that? What is that in the water? I'm so freaked out about the sea, guys. Like, I'm just... Anyways, yeah, I think it's really based on somebody else's opinion of the place and not necessarily the brand. But it's just this location here has some little issues or something. But yeah, I'll save all of the comments and everything and my thoughts until the end of the video, because I'm going to give you guys play by play exactly what happened from before we came here, right? But yeah, so today breakfast, a little bit at the pool. I'm hoping to get some work done literally by the beach because we're right here, and just chill a little bit. Yesterday was more of a stressful day. I just want to be able to relax today, and yeah, that's it. I'm going to wake Marla right now. Like, that crab is right there and I know she would be psyched, so I'm gonna wake her and let her come play a little bit out here. It's perfection. Breakfast time, guys, and breakfast is a disaster. I'm not gonna lie you. Like, yeah, we're not 100 no yet, but when we reach up them I go show no. Guys, based on what I can see, I don't really know if there's like a variety of food. I don't think so. I'll be a local food, we say, in a people plate. I wonder if I just me. I wonder if I just me. But we shall see.
How are people in
Then why you would have come here and pick that, right? Does that make sense?
If you're on the beach in a dining area, and if you're in the reach of my voice, calling out for all my active guests here on the resort. Just want to say shout out to Janelle celebrating her birthday. Yes, indeed. Happy birthday to you, Janelle, coming from the NT group. Everybody do it. Let me clean. Everybody do this.
Come on, T, you watching you follow T.
Look at her, baby. Come on.
Now, Josh, you only have 60 to accomplish this task. Only 60 seconds. Close. 3,
Bomba.
2, and ding, 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 ding.
I'm here, man.
Let's try. Clap him, clap him, clap him, clap him.
Alright, so who do we have now?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
4,
Take a time, take a time.
3,
Yeah, yeah, come on.
2,
Raj, carry over the thing, no, brother.
2, 1. 1, you give up. Here's the line, right here. Toya. So the beautiful lady Toya is about to go. Here we go. Toya, your 60 seconds begins now. Here we go. Only 60 seconds to accomplish this task. Let's see if the beautiful lady Toya has what it takes. Close but no cigar.
Why?
So ladies and gentlemen,
We're not even getting
beautiful
videos.
lady Toya, she has accomplished the task in only 15 seconds.
We never catch up on video.
So, ladies and
We did not
gentlemen,
celebrate.
Toya is walking away. Toya, you wanted to go? Toya is walking away, the ultimate champion for a Christmas prize. Yeah, man, let's go and she do the dance of victory. Dance of victory, anything. Yeah. Anything. Is that okay? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, once more, give it up for the beautiful lady Toya, walking away the ultimate champion for our Fisher's Prize, the only person who accomplished the task in only 50 seconds. Yeah, man.
Rotate! Let them burn! That's it, come on, rotate! That's it! Looking good! Open the legs! Open the legs! Come on! Watch this, go on! It's a workout, it's a workout! Watch this, hallelujah! So now I'm going to need you to splash that wall. So left is going to go up.
Hey boy,
Got it? Are you ready? On the toes, on the toes. On the toes.
Yeah.
Now, what's up, no better? What? Alright, so. I'll big up me all there, yeah.
Guys, yeah. What is that? She don't get a little feature. Remember YouTube channel, that's what I do this. Yeah, no, yeah, I forgot for that.
Yeah, you'll see.
Yeah. You have to go give me when you finish.
Yes, ma'am. She take care of it, guys. I go go on the little pee, like when we're done. Okay. But you say one sleep. You nobody want to sleep? Eh? Hey guys, dinner time, night number 2. I'm wearing this cute little dress that I got from a IG boutique. I think all her dresses were $1,500 and I did carry this on vacation, so I'm gonna probably do a lookbook. That's what I told her I was going to do, but y'all know I have time to do nothing. But yeah, super cute, comfy fit tonight. Same slippers. Yeah, why don't I just do that? Same slippers. But yeah, no hungry bad, guys. No makeup, no lashes, no nothing, just mascara. Guys, this is the first time I beat my natural hair like right through, just because I couldn't bother. I did a little cat eye action, look a bit with my eyeliner, just did my brows, and that's it. No foundation or no powder or no, can't bother with that right now. This mask business makes none of that feasible.
I'll do something tonight.
Yeah.
Gurgle tonight.
My man said about gurgle in my video, people. Dinner time. I am starving. Good morning. Good morning. Final day breakfast, guys. Finally, one breakfast actually makes sense. There's no such thing. Last day, guys. Lady.
Poster.
Lady. Bigly. Hi there. Yes, Lee Bear.
The camera.
Almost the camera in it.
Camera, yeah.
Roger, and another what? Aerobics to the dancing.
Yeah, go pan down. When they pop down tea, and then they pop down, you know.
No, I go on the boat, man.
Me, I'm going to pan it, Matt.
Yeah, really.
I'm here, me, you have to go and roll it.
She alone can rush, have enough strength.
Yeah, but you have to in there.
Oh, it has to. You see, G can tap like a hippo.
Hello, so the list there for the boat.
No, it's fine.
Yes, my love. We'll soon go. We're going in the boat first.
On the boat. On the boat.
You feel proud of yourself?
Paper.
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 The Friday. Hey guys, so this is a while after. I had not realized that I really didn't film a outro for that video. No, I was supposed to tell you guys what my experience was like going there. Why don't money out of this? And would I go back? I really wouldn't go back. That's the bottom line. All they had for food was very local stuff. Everything was just very local. There was nothing, comparing it to other hotels that I have been to, there was nothing special about it. Like absolutely nothing special. The only thing is they're very big on their entertainment scene. Like at night, their entertainment is literally top notch. That's the only thing I can give them. But from booking the hotel, the confusion, when I got there, they didn't even have our reservation booked, even though we had already booked it and we're just supposed to pay when we get there. It was just a mess. Even while I was there, the lines to go get your food, even though the place wasn't all that big, then the selection of food that they had was not incredible at all. There was nothing impressive about it. I felt like I was literally eating in Jamaica. When you go to a resort, that shouldn't be the case. You should have a lot of variety, and that's what I was normally used to going to hotels. But this place, and then I also heard that it's because of the location that we went to. I heard that at the other locations, it's not that way. But I was just really disappointed. It was a disappointing experience that we traveled so far to be disappointed. I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. I really love the construction of their rooms. The rooms that we got were right in front of the seaside, the beach side. Like our rooms were on the beach. They had these cute little huts that were like 2-story. It was so cute. Like the space was cute. I liked the size of the hotel because it wasn't really big, and it felt more intimate. I liked that. So you didn't have like a lot of people to deal with. But for the life of me, their drink selection and food selection was not that great. Like everything was pretty basic. I think we took solace in knowing that we went there as a family, and that's what the upside was, just to spend time together. But it could have been a better experience. Some of the little hiccups were not necessary. And I knew from the booking and the confusion with the booking, them not expecting us when we got there, it was just, from that point, I knew it was going to be a downhill trot. Like, for the next one, I really don't know where we're going to go this year, but I'm hoping we'll have a better experience for the next one. But nevertheless, we made the best of the situation, even though it wasn't like spectacular. I think we really just enjoyed being there together. But would I recommend? No, I most definitely would not recommend. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Go ahead, thumbs up the video if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.